Today, we're going to borrow a strategy from an epic battle for learning Japanese. The idea? Unity through conflict, straight out of the strategy game Magic: The Gathering.
So how can a battle strategy possibly help you with Japanese? Let's dive in.
Say hello to nagara. This little grammar point is your key to doing two things at once.
It's all about syncing up two actions, making them both way more powerful together. For instance, you could be studying Japanese while listening to some great music.
Okay, let's jump back to that battlefield to really see this in action. Picture this. You're facing a common enemy. The only way to survive? You've got to fight together. This is the rally cry to combine your strengths, creating a powerful, necessary alliance.
And just like in battle, you can totally supercharge your learning by combining activities.
Of course, to join forces, you're going to need the right words in your arsenal. So you've got key terms like kyoryoku for cooperation and tatakao, which means to fight.
All right, now it's your turn. Time to put this powerful strategy into practice. Your mission is simple. Just pick two activities you enjoy and link them with nagara. You could say, I practice vocabulary while walking. See? Super simple, super effective. So go synchronize your actions and watch your Japanese grow. Talk to you tomorrow.